Hello everyone and welcome again. We're continuing with the second chapter titled Learning a New Vocabulary. In our previous video, we detailed the first part, which consists of prefixes. In this video, we will now delve into the second part, which is all about suffixes. Let's review the definition together. Prefixes and suffixes are essential components of the English vocabulary, and comprehending them can greatly enhance your ability to decipher the meanings of words. While a prefix is a group of letters placed before the root of a word to modify or change its meaning, suffixes are groups of letters added to the end of a buzzword or root, as we explained earlier, to create a new word to modify the meaning of the original word. We must mention that suffixes change the class of the root word, for example, by adding the suffix er to the word publish. It becomes the noun publisher. Suffixes can tell you if a word is a noun. Suffixes for jobs, including er, er, and the suffix or, are frequently attached to buzzwords to form nouns denoting a person associated with a specific job or profession. Additionally, we find suffixes like "and" for consultant, "yin" for technician, and "is" as in scientist. There are other suffixes that are commonly used to form nouns from other parts of speech, and they often indicate an activity, state, or quality. Here are some general rules for each suffix. For the suffix yin, it's often added to verbs to create nouns indicating an action, process, or states. Meant added to verbs to create nouns denoting the result or product of an action. Is typically added to nouns to form names of sciences or academic disciplines, and it added to adjectives to form nouns indicating a quality or states. The suffixes able and able are commonly used to form adjectives that means capable or able to be. Able added to verbs to form adjectives that indicate the capability or possibility of an action. Able, similar to able, added to verbs to create adjectives suggesting capability or possibility. The choice between able and able is often determined by etymology or historical usage. The suffix full is often used to indicate fullness, abundance, or having the qualities of something. The word colorful means that it's full of color or having a variety of colors. In contrast, the suffix less is used to indicate the absence or the lack of something, colorless, lacking color, or without hue. The suffixes "is" with "z" for American English and with "s" for British English are often added to nouns and adjectives to form verbs. These verbs often convey the meaning to make or to become. Here's an example. Synthesize, it's to combine different elements to form a new whole or to produce something by synthesis. Building word families by adding suffixes involves understanding how suffixes modify the meaning or grammatical category of a buzzword. If you look at these examples, you can build words family for the word magnet. By adding a suffix "is", it will be the verb magnetize. Adding "ic" gives us the adjective magnetic and magnetically as adverb. Understanding how to build word families by adding suffixes is a valuable skill in expanding your vocabulary and grasping the relationships between words. This concludes the content of today's lesson. We've reached the end of this video. Until our next time, happy learning!